Today I'll be doing an oral presentation on The Dollhouse by Catherine Mansfield. I'll start off by making a comparison between the two characters' lives, Keisha and Elsie. Keisha wore simple clothing, neat and childlike. She ate thick mutton sandwiches and Johnny cake with butter. She was kind, shy, loving, sensitive, and sympathetic. She was also small and fragile. Whereas Elsie, on the other hand, wore clothes handed down from her parents' employees. She wore a white dress and faded boots, ate jam sandwiches. She was very humble and shy. She also had an innocent face. Significance of the lamp. From a literal point of view, the lamp is small with a lot of attention to detail, giving it a very realistic appearance when looking at it. From a figurative or metaphorical point of view, the lamp represents warmth, kindness, hope, and friendship. Figures of speech. A metaphor. Perhaps it's the way God opens houses at the dead of night when he is taking a quiet turn with an angel. The dollhouse is being compared to something strange or puzzling. It's the child's imagination being expressed in a figurative way. A simile. The house was like a slab of toffee. It compares the design of the door to the slab of a toffee. The design and look is being described as something sweet and tempting. The plot. Exposition. The Bernal sisters receive an expensive dollhouse as a gift from Miss Hay. The rising action. The Bernal sisters let the children of the school play with the dollhouse but excludes the Kell sisters. The climax. Keisha invites the Kell sisters to join her play with the dollhouse, even though she was not allowed to. Falling action. The Kell sisters are amazed by the dollhouse. Resolution. Aunt Beryl finds them playing together in the courtyard and chases the Kell sisters away. How is the dollhouse used by Isabel to enhance her social status within the classroom structure? She excludes all learners from poorer backgrounds to play with the dollhouse. She uses it to separate students into different categories according to their social class. It shows a family's position in the upper class society. She also uses it to demonstrate a family's wealth and power. She makes a lot of new friends and becomes popular amongst her peers.